The BMW R69S is one of the most iconic motorcycles produced by BMW, celebrated for its engineering, performance, and classic styling. Manufactured between 1960 and 1969, it represented the pinnacle of BMW's boxer twin motorcycles of the era, combining reliability with sporty performance. At its heart, the R69S was powered by a 594 cubic centimeters air-cooled, four-stroke, opposed twin, boxer engine, delivering 42 horsepower at 7,000 RPM. This output gave it a top speed of around 175 km per hour, 109 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production motorcycles of its time. The engine was paired with a 4-speed gearbox and shaft drive, a BMW trademark, ensuring smooth power delivery and low maintenance compared to chain-driven rivals. The chassis featured the legendary Earl's fork front suspension, designed to provide excellent stability, especially when carrying a sidecar. At the rear, it used a swing arm with twin shock absorbers, contributing to its comfortable yet firm ride. Drum brakes on both wheels provided stopping power, which was considered adequate for its era. Stylistically, the R69S carried the timeless BMW look, black paint with white pinstripes, chrome details, and a distinctive boxer engine jutting out from each side. Its teardrop fuel tank with knee pads and comfortable dual seat made it practical for touring as well as spirited rides. The R69S quickly earned a reputation as a gentleman's sport bike, fast, refined, and built to last. With fewer than 11,000 units produced, it is today highly collectible and sought after by enthusiasts. In summary, the BMW R69S combined advanced engineering, durability, and elegance, cementing its place as a true classic in motorcycle history. It remains a symbol of BMW's craftsmanship and a benchmark of 1960s performance motorcycling. Would you like me to also create a specifications table, engine, power, weight, speed, production years, to go along with this summary?